Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel data into SQL. Start by cleaning headers and rows, then save as CSV to avoid hidden formatting. Next, pick a method like bulk insert, BCP, or an import wizard that matches your database and permissions. Map columns carefully and validate data types before loading. Always test on a small sample and keep backups to prevent data loss. Clean your spreadsheet thoroughly so the import runs smoothly and predictably. Standardize column names, remove special characters, and convert dates and numbers to consistent formats. Replace formulas with values and remove hidden rows or columns. Save a CSV copy to strip formatting. A clean source reduces type mismatches and import errors and speeds up mapping when you connect to the database. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long import sessions and fits in most cup holders, which is perfect when you're focused on SQL. It has a leak-proof lid and keeps drinks cold, making data work more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose an import method based on size and complexity of your data. Bulk insert and BCP are fast for large files, while the import wizard provides a friendly mapping interface for smaller batches. ETL tools like SSIS or third-party services help when you need transformations, error handling, or scheduling. Always preview mappings, validate data types, and run a test import on a subset before committing to the full load.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.